What's up, classers? So, matapos yung update kagabi, so binuksan ko yung account ko ngayong umaga. So, akala ko makukuha natin yung agad yung bagong hero, yung Dragon Duke. So, yun pala, may dungeon dito. Kasi, meron siyang parang mission na dapat natin gawin para ma-open or ma-unlock natin yung Dragon Duke na hero. So, ang gawin natin is ito, yung Unleash the Duke. So, sinasabi dito, the dungeon doors are shaking. Dragon Dukes wants to out. So, from February 24 at 8 a.m. UTC to March 1 at 8 a.m. UTC, the entire Clash community from TH7 and above must work together to break him free, contribute Dark Elixir, smash global milestone, and unlock doors one by one. If the final doors falls, everyone wins. So, ito yun kung paano siya mag-work. So, basahin na lang natin ito pag open ng ating Clash of Clans. So, in addition, mayroon ako nakikita nga 8 a.m. daw ng umaga ngayon, February 24, magsisimula yung event. So, guys, basa tayo na ng konti ha. 8 a.m. UTC to. So, sa Philippine Standard Time, mga 4 p.m. to. Mamayang 4 p.m. to magsisimula yung event. So, minsan, basa din tayo para maintindihan din natin yung update. So, tama yung mabibigay natin nga info. Kasi maraming na mislead dito kasi 8 a.m. daw ngayon umaga. So, yun lang guys. And sa hindi pa naka-follow, please ko follow, like, and share aning video for more videos pa itong buhaton in the future. Thank you.